Hello and welcome back to tazwells12. You're again on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and I am the host, who is Tara Wells. Today's video you are watching an massive ASDA haul. There is a teeny bit of B&M in here, but a very teeny bit, but it's mostly ASDA. That will be today's video. Before we get into today's video and I will show you all the products and give you the advice, let's just go through the nitty-gritty stuff that I do have to go through every single time, and it is important information. Keep listening. So that is, if you are new to this channel and this is your first video you are watching from me, then click the subscribe button and come and join tazwells12. You can come and join my little YouTube journey and the love family that is going on in this channel. Hit the subscribe button. If you are existing subscribers, then thank you very much for your support and it means the world to me. If you like the advice, the video, the products that I do show you, then please give the video a massive thumbs up, because it helps the video out, it helps me out, and also I know that you want to see more of these, so I will then do more. If you want to comment down below, you are more than welcome to. Anything you would like to comment on, comment down below and I will 100% comment back every single time. And the last thing is that I just want to say I am not sponsored by ASDA or B&M. This is just an advice video for you guys. I am not sponsored by any of the brands or the products I do show you. It is all out of my own money and it's just to give you advice what's good going on in these shops. For any ado, I think that's it. Let's get on into the ASDA haul. In this haul, I do have my receipt. I always try and keep these down for you guys because I think this is the best thing to tell you what the price is when I officially bought it. But this video might come out like a couple of days or weeks after I filmed it, so just be wary. But this is what they're going to be like a good round off price, but I always try and keep these so then I can tell you what the actual price is of when I bought it, and you can then go and find it at that price. The first item I'm going to start with is some kitchen bits. So a lot of kitchen bits we got were from ASDA. They're really good. So they're either ASDA range or they're either like a bit more of a brand range. It depends what was on offer and what we kind of wanted, if that makes sense. So the first one I'm going to start with is this. And it's just this big massive roasting tray. We had small roasting trays so you could fit vegetables in small bits if you wanted to cook for one person, but we never had a big one to put a chicken in or do a chicken dinner with some sauces or anything like that. Kind of we're right, we need to get a bigger cooking dish. This is the one we got. We got these are quite good because they're quite sturdy. This was on offer at the time that we bought it and it was at £6, and this is actually a Pyrex one. It's very tiny there. We took the label off. That was a massive label in the middle, so it's a Pyrex one. Also, I've noticed that it has this little edge where it comes down. I suppose that's to drain any fat off. Easier to do it like that, just comes out the corner. They're always improving sort of kitchenware and that, but I know it's never things that you really need unless you go out to get it, but it is good things like this because it's so much handy. This is from Pyrex and this is only £6, but there was a bigger one that was ASDA's range and I have got one of them, but in a different sort of tray, but it was absolutely huge. It had a really big bottom and we were we need a big, a really big tray, but not a downwards tray, if that makes we don't need it deep. Got this one from Pyrex. This item, like I said about the other one, it pretty much looks like the one that we got from Pyrex, but this is ASDA's own range, and this was really good because this is sturdy. This is thick, really thick. I know if you buy some of the thinner ones, they don't always last, so I thought we needed a bigger one again. We had little ones, but we never had a big one. But this is from George Home, the stackable non-stick 38cm oven tray, heavy gauge, oven safe up to 230°C, and then discover more at george.com. Texture base for enhanced non-stick performance, 10 years guarantee. Like, you cannot go wrong. And this little picture in the middle shows you all the other sort of bits they have in this range. So they're stackable, so they're really, really good if you get the whole range, if you can find the whole range, because I don't think they might not do it all together. It might be singly, like we've bought it. It's really good that they've done like this because it's really stackable and you can put it in your cupboards and it leaves loads of space. Like, at the moment, ours is stackable, but we try and do that in shape order. This probably does just slot into each other, which is even better. You can see all this like gritty sort of material. Like they say, that's to do with a non-stick, so that's really good. This bit's just an extra bit so you can actually grab it, because I've noticed with a lot of tins you grab the side and you sometimes burn your finger if you don't put the towel underneath. So that was that. It was really good, and this was at the only price of £4, which I thought was quite a bit of a bargain for that amount of tray and like sturdiness pretty much. This next item I needed to get out of the bag, and I will go into the room that we actually did put the item in, but this is what it is, and this was at a bit of a bargain too. I'll stand back. So this is what it is. I've got the bag. I'll read it out in a minute. And basically, these are the George Home Soft Comfort 2 Soft Touch Pillows. Ideal for front sleepers. Machine washable, soft support. Contains recyclable fibres. Made in Britain. This is from the George Home, and there's 2 pillows in it. And it did say currently there is a price tag of £6 on here, but when I actually went to the till, it was £4.50. Like, what the hell? So I actually get a discount off them, so I was really happy with saving money. They are only for our second bedroom, like the spare bedroom, the guest bedroom. That was really good for the price of that because we got it a little bit more cheaper. But yeah, I will show you them in 2 seconds. Here is quickly the 2 pillows that we got from George ASDA. They're really, really soft. I don't know if they go down in time, but at the moment they'll be really good. Like, a lot of guests are not going to be sleeping in here. They'll be at the odd time. Hopefully these will last us, but at the moment they are literally like what they say. They are so bouncy and so comfortable. This next item, I couldn't believe when I saw it. Literally, it looks designer. I cannot believe when I saw it. Literally, it is so nice looking. I would have thought it was more than the price that I paid for it. And I would have expected to see this on like a designer website like Sophie Allport. And I love that, her website, because I've bought stuff from her before. But the fact is, this is what it is. Look at that print. Now, these were right up my street, and I probably don't need any more tea towels, but when I saw these, I was like, oh my god, I need these in my life. So I phoned up Neil, because we share everything that goes in the house, and I was like, can we get these? And he was like, yeah, that's fine. These are from the George Home 3-pack tea towels. They are source of responsible cotton, and they're just a George Home own make, and literally they are so beautiful. Like, so you get like a garden green, a grey colour, and like a very limey green, and this is our sort of forte in this house. As you can see, like, we've got the bee bed on there, and there's some other bee stuff around the house, but I don't want to go mad, but I like it a little bit classy. That's what we're going for. So we've got like bunnies and hares and bees, and I love that sort of attire. I am totally into that. These are just the cutest. Like, I just thought, like, some people that draw bees are they're just ugly, but these look really cute. Like, they're really fat, they look pretty nice, and I really like these. And these were the only price of £4, which I thought was amazing for that, because honestly, if you go on, like I said, a designer website and look at this design, you would honestly be paying like £12, maybe £15 for these. You're going to be making some cocktails, so the next load of stuff is like juices and bits like that, but I thought I'd show you anyway because I got the stuff to make them, so I'm going to make them, and if they're any good, then I will definitely do a tutorial on this channel, because that's how I do things. I like to try them out first before then coming on here and looking like an idiot in one place, but also to the fact that I like to see if a recipe is nice and try it. So I'm really happy with this, and there's a lot of things. I'm actually going to make porn star martinis. I have never done it in my whole life, but I've tried to find the easiest way. And the easiest way that I did find, actually, was on this website. Actually, the next item. This is the next item. So this is basically kind of a liqueur that you need for your porn star martinis. And also, I looked on their website and they have got the easiest little, honestly, recipe to make this. And I didn't realise it's actually on the back of the bottle too. If you ever want to make it, you need to get this stuff. So I think it's called PASSOA. I'm so sorry if I said the wrong name, but I think it's PASSOA. And this was £12 in ASDA, which I didn't think was too bad actually. This is PASSOA, the passion drink with real passion fruit. It says PASSOA Star Martini. There's 70 cl liqueur in here, which is 17% volume, so it's quite high. But on the back, literally, it tells you how to do it. Literally, it says mix in a shaker 40 ml of PASSOA, 40 ml of vodka, which I already have, 10 ml of vanilla syrup, 10 ml of lime juice, pulp of passion fruit, and serve in with a shot of Prosecco. And I actually found the recipe on the website before I actually because I just do, that's how a lot of people probably do it. And literally I went and got the ingredients. So that's the first one, so that was £12. Saying I was gonna make this porn star martini PASSOA, I got the ingredients. I've obviously got vodka already and have got lime vodka, but I've got normal vodka too. So I actually bought some lime juice. This is just the ASDA normal one. I think this is really, really good. There's 250 ml in here. The lime juice from concentrated, 150 ml, and it's just the normal bottle. Honestly, this will last you for ages. At one point I did try to find this and it was really, really hard. I bought something else with mint in it that I used for a different cocktail. This was at the price of 46p, which, to be fair, it doesn't matter. This will get used for 46p. Just buy another one. I was going to buy limes, but then they had this, so I went for this instead. The easy option. Then I bought 2 bags of passion fruit. I did actually not think I was going to find these in ASDA. When I put them on my list, I put question mark near them. I did not know that they did these, because it's just a thing that you don't normally go in the fruit aisle and try and find it unless you need it. These are ASDA's Growers Selection ready to eat passion fruit. Kumbaya. It's there. I just didn't think I was going to find these, so I got 2 packs because they were £1 each, but I'm not actually going to use the pulp of these. I'm just going to cut them into halves, quarters, and I'm actually going to put this all in a jug because I think into an outside party with friends, and it's just going to be easy like that, and it's just for a little bit of decoration, and it might give the porn star martini an actual sort of bit of flavour as well. They're just for decoration. To bulk all this up, I've actually got a juice I picked up is this. This is from ASDA, and this is the exotic juice drink, high in vitamin C, if you want to ever know that. It's 1 litre. I got 3 cartons of this because what do they have in here? They have orange juice, apple juice, apricot puree, lemon juice, mango puree, guava puree, grapefruit juice, pineapple juice, banana puree, passion fruit juice. So that literally is everything in there. So that is literally like a concoction of a cocktail, really. I will make the basics of a porn star martini, maybe even double that. Put all that in a jug and then bulk it up with this. Thought that was really, really good, and this is at the price of 85p a carton. So I got 3 of them because I thought that's going to last me quite a bit, and I thought that was really good, and that's just easy to bulk it up. Last item I'm going to show you, I actually got from B&M because I actually had to, because I went in the pound shop to find this. I thought they might have it. I have surely seen this at one point in there, but they didn't have it. I didn't know if ASDA had it because I was going there like later in that day. And I thought, I'm not taking the rest. I'm going to go past B&M, and I know I've seen it in there. I found this. So I picked 2 bottles of this up. So I know this is coffee syrup, but this is the syrup that it kind of said to put in there. So this is a NOTADOLCE. There we are. Coffee syrup, vanilla flavour. So it's vanilla syrup, which it told me in the ingredients to get. And it's not thick consistency, because I looked at vanilla extract and literally that is thick. That if anyone's baked with any cakes, it's not thick, but that's quite thick. It's a lot thicker than that. So I saw this, so I picked 2 bottles up. I had to because they never had any of the big bottles of vanilla. I think they had salted caramel. I don't think that's going to work. It might have done, but I'm not quite sure. I picked 2 of these up and they were $1.99 each, but that was literally the only option, and it was good job I did because ASDA didn't have any, and they didn't have any vanilla drops. So this was a lifesaver, because if I couldn't find this, I couldn't make it. Now you have seen all the products from my ASDA haul. I hope that you did like them, and I hope that you did like the video, and maybe it gives you inspiration, because there is some absolutely lovely items. Them be like tea towels, oh my god, when I saw them I had to grab it. Like, there is some amazing stuff. Like, check out the website. I do every single day. They have some sale items. I'm giving you a little tip here. Check the sale items out, they're great too. I've got absolutely loads for them, and in this house we have got a load of items in the sale from ASDA, so check that out too. I just want to say that quickly, I am not sponsored by ASDA before anyone thinks I am. This is just out of my own money that I've bought the products, and it's just an advice video for you guys, so I have not been sponsored by ASDA or any of the brands. If you like the video, then please, like I said at the beginning, give it a massive thumbs up. It tells me what you guys like and want to see more of, and there is lots more to come. Also, comment down below and I will 100% comment back to you. And if you're new, subscribe. If you're existing, then thank you very much. This has come to the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you have a lovely day or a lovely evening, and I will see you again soon, guys. Bye.